Hello everyone, I am Soumyadeep. My roll number is 20ME30062. This is my DIY assignment 2.
I made a knight using FreeCAD. As you know, a knight is a piece in the game of chess that is traditionally shaped like a horse. At first, I selected the new sketch option, then I selected XZ plane, then I used polyline feature to create the sketch of the half base. Then I revolved it with the revolve option. Then I have drawn a rectangle on the upper surface and padded it in such way that the length is 60 mm. Then I selected the left surface of the padded part and selected the sketch option to draw the front part of the knight, which basically looks like a horse. Then I used pocket tool to cut out the solid section by extruding the sketch in the straight path and subtracting it from the solid. I repeated the same procedure to create the back part of the knight. Then I created a slope along the height of the knight. Then I created small horizontal rectangular shapes to give it a proper design. Then I made the eye using the circular sketch and pocket tool. Then I created a mesh from the shape, and at last I created the STL file by exporting it. Now I will import the STL file in Cura software. So this is my object. I will go to the settings. Then the layer height is 0.2 mm, the infill density is 50, the speed is 60 mm per second. So everything is right. I will slice it. So it is saying that 3 hours 12 minutes is required to create this object, and the procedure is this. Now I will create the G code. With this G code, the object can be created using 3D printer.